Whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Or fire you desire, my rock can maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey, yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. I'm extremely disappointed in myself. I've been walking past this sneaker in my house since release day, and it was my most anticipated cop of 2020. I should have did a video on this sneaker in 2020, but I don't know. I got too wrapped up in everything that was going on. I got so excited. I didn't even make a video, obviously. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna do it on foot as well. But if you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Subscribe to the channel, man. Join the movement. Almost at 4K. The goal is 8K by the end of the year, subscribers. And that's what I want to do, man. That's where I'm at with it. Mentally, up here. I think we can get there. But anyway, you can see from the title and the thumbnail what we're here to do. And you can see from the B-Key Lifestyle shirt that I have on what we're here to talk about. It is these sneakers right here. Show you the box first. I don't know how in-depth of a review I'm going to go in, you know, but got the size 11 Air Max 95 OG. Black, neon yellow, and light graphite. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Box is very similar to the original box, from my understanding. I've never owned this sneaker before, but it was still my most. I could not wait for this sneaker to release, and I'm beyond excited. So, woo! Sheesh! Now, this sneaker doesn't have the same nostalgic, amazing feel for everybody. Some people don't even like 95s. I only wanted 195. This is the only OG 95. Any other 95, I do not care. This is the only one I want. This is the only one I've always wanted. I had this circled on the calendar since before. Since it was rumors that it was releasing in 2020, and I had to jump through hoops, man. This was one of my only L's that I took on the FLX little situation, so program. So I had to go to JD Sports, camp out a little bit. I didn't have to necessarily. People showed up. But I didn't take no chances, man. I went up there and I sat my ass in line. I was first in line, had a lawn chair and everything. Just to make sure before they opened out, you know what I'm saying, I was first. I was walking out of there with my sneakers. Like, I had to have these. But anyway, I'm going to get into these a little bit. This is up there to me with all of the OG things that you just have to have, like from Jordan Brand. Like a Bread 11, you know what I'm saying? Like a Black Cement 3, like a Bread 4, you know what I'm saying? All of those type of things you have to have in your collection. This is up there with those to me. But anyway, I digress. As you can see, the gradient grays that come up this sneaker, it starts from this dark, like charcoal gray to wolf gray, all the way up to this white mesh, and then you move around to the toe box, and you have this right here is 3M. Maybe I'll throw some pictures in with it lit up, you know, and then all the way up here you got your Air Max on the tongue. This back here on the yams is also 3M reflective. You got your air units on the bottom. that also have the pounds per square inch on there. 25, and it points to the units. There's air units on each side and the hill. So there's 5 here, 25 here, 25 here, 20 here. So anyway, let me stop messing around. But these are incredible. I don't know how y'all do it. I don't know how y'all passed on these. I don't know. Well, obviously they sold out. I think there was a restock today, but I just don't know how people don't love these as much as I do. I just love these. These are fire. These are hard, man. These are tough. These were obviously in my top 10 videos that I did like a week ago. And I think I put these at number 2 and I put the Mochas number 1. Might be number 1. I don't really know. But I think that's only because it was most anticipated for me, most wanted for the year. I'm still going to have my Mochas at number 1, maybe 1A, 1B. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to get straight into On Foot. Me and Jay. You know what I'm saying? I had to wait. I got these on release day, but I couldn't reveal them until after Christmas because these were also a Christmas gift for Jay. So we're both going to do a little duel On Foot. So I hope y'all enjoy that, man. But if you're new, subscribe. You don't even have to subscribe right now. Go back and watch some of my old videos. See if you like anything. Look around. See if there's anything in there you like. You know what I'm saying? And then if you like anything, go and hit the subscribe button, man. I appreciate each and every one of y'all that continue to come rock with my content. I'm out of here. OV!